He's back in. And I got one on this one. Doubling up today. They are all about swallowing it, that is for sure. All right, he's bleeding a little bit. We're gonna get him back in the water ASAP.